this is huge. So today we're going to discuss one of the things that is so critical to the success of your business. But what's weird is that tons of entrepreneurs skip it. What's their problem? Hey there, aspiring entrepreneurs. Welcome to my channel. If you don't know me, I'm Brame. I'm a 5-time award-winning advanced digital marketing strategist, and I help multi-industry entrepreneurs create ride or die fans for life across multiple revenue streams. So thank you for joining me. Today, we're diving into a crucial aspect of building a successful business, and that is defining your target demographic. Trust me, by the end of this video, you will have all of the keys to unlocking your market potential. Why do you want to define your target demographic? Like, why is it so important? Well, think of it as the roadmap to your business success. When you understand exactly who your ideal customer is, you can tailor your products, marketing, and communication to resonate with them. You know, it's not about reaching everyone. It's about connecting deeply with the right audience. It feels weird to say deeply. It's true that you want as many customers as possible because it makes it easier to make a sale. But if you think about it, those sales are crap. I mean, it's good to have the money, but if they don't get what it is you do, the amount of time, energy, and money you'll need to spend fixing their issues, explaining why their 2-star review isn't accurate, and stressing out every time you get a new comment on your social, it's just not worth it. To me, it's better to define your audience to a smaller pool of people that know what you're about, because they are about that too. They're easier to convert, they cost less, and they will be those ride or die customers you're here to learn about. So let's get into it. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of what it's going to take to define your target demographic. Step 1 is to research your industry. Who are the major players and who are they targeting? Analyze their customer base to get a better sense of the broader market landscape. And this will be important for the next kind of steps. Step 2 is to build out the persona. And this is going to get a little weird, but it'll help you so much. Start by building out the avatar of your ideal customer. What do they look like? Where do they work? Where do they live? Are they in a single family home in suburbia? Or are they in an efficiency apartment in a trendy, hot neighborhood? How old are they? What sort of education do they have? Do they have kids? What kind of job do they do? How much money do they earn? What do they like to read, watch, listen to? What do they do for fun? Are you exhausted yet? I get it, but look, the more you flesh this avatar out, the faster it's going to be for you when you're ready to start marketing your product or service, and also pitching to media outlets, building new products and services. All of this work ahead of time will make all of that so much easier and will make your advertising spend significantly cheaper. And you can even go as far as naming your avatar. Lots of people do this, but if you think it's a little too like Blade Runner-y, that's totally fine, no worries. But you should have a full-fledged person built out. And that leads me into step 3. Pay attention to pain points. This will require some digging, which I think is why so many entrepreneurs skip it. But seriously, it's their loss because you are about to learn so much about how you can get ahead. What are your potential customers complaining about on social or in forums or on Reddit? What problem of theirs isn't being solved either at all or well enough? That's your in. So that's going to take some time, but do it because it's so worth it. Which leads me to step 4, stalk your competitors. Now that you know who your competitors are from step 1, because you did that work, you're going to need to dig into their accounts. Start looking for like 2-star or 3-star reviews. These are people that wanted to like what they bought, but that didn't lead up to their expectations. Read your competitors' social media comments. What do people complain about with this company? This is going to be your way to carve out a space in the marketplace because you'll be serving a customer base that is hungry for what you're offering. So look, if you've heard all those things before, I'm not surprised. It's pretty standard avatar build stuff, except there are a few other key points I want you to nail down too. And it comes to two parts. Psychographics. If you don't know what that is, Hotjar defines it as psychographics is the qualitative methodology of studying consumers based on psychological characteristics and traits such as values, desires, goals, interests, and lifestyle choices. What that means essentially is taking an intentional step to think about the lifestyle your ideal customer leads. Sure, we talked about listing out the media they consume and their hobbies, but what are their values? What are the goals they put on their vision boards? What pillars do they live by that are unshakable? Let me put it this way. Let's consider two people. Both are the same gender, have the same job, live in similar homes, are parents, watch Disney movies, and love baseball. That is a solid avatar build already. But now consider this. One is a liberal and the other is a conservative. Now you're in a completely different playing field with values, beliefs, and pillars. This one factor changes the way your marketing sounds, the words you use, and the emotional triggers you know your avatar has. This is huge. The second thing is behavioral patterns. And behavioral patterns build on psychographics and consider how they affect decision making. So how does your avatar make purchasing decisions? What influences them? This insight is pure gold for tailoring your marketing strategy because it tells you, for example, whether or not influencers are a useful avatar for selling because your avatar likes to hear how they've experienced using your product or service. Are they need to think about it kind of people, or are they impulsive shoppers? Things like this help you save so much time in the long run, so don't skip looking at psychographics and behavioral patterns. Now, I break so much of this down in my free niche marketing workbook, which you can get in my members library. The link is in the description below. Sign up to join and you'll get instant access. There you have it, future business moguls. Defining your target demographic is the cornerstone of your entrepreneurial journey. By understanding your audience, you'll not only meet their needs, but exceed their expectations. And one thing, if you found this video helpful, can you do me a favor, give it a thumbs up and share it with another entrepreneur? That would really help me grow my channel and make sure that I'm able to reach as many people as possible. I would really appreciate it. But until next time, keep crafting that dream business of yours. I will see you in the next video.